People use AI influencers to make money and build their brands, and there are many tutorials on how to create such an influencer, but they always include overly complex workflows with at least 3 different tools that each require its own subscription, and these workflows change every week, and it's almost a full-time job to keep up with that. I think creators overcomplicate the process on purpose to make you think they have some special knowledge or some secret prompt that only they can give you, but the truth is the tool should do the heavy lifting for you. The tool should take care of the prompting and all the settings and character consistency automatically, so that you only need ideas and creativity, but not all this technical knowledge that will be obsolete in 1 month. Today I'm gonna show you a tool that does exactly that. It makes it easy to create a realistic looking AI influencer with perfect character consistency, without complex prompt engineering and all in a single tool. You can create photos, videos with perfect lip sync, and even motion transfer where the influencer copies your exact movements, or for example a viral TikTok dance. Finally, you can also create product videos to make money from paid sponsorships. All of this takes only a few minutes, and in this video I will show you the tool and walk you through the full process. Together we will create an AI influencer and a bunch of photos and videos, and we will try out all these different features and see how easy it actually is. In the end of the video, I will also give you tips on how to warm up your social media account so that you don't get shadow banned when your AI influencer starts posting. My name is Florian Walter and this is the AI Tool Corner, where I review the latest AI software to find out which ones can actually improve our lives and businesses. The tool has the fitting name, the Influencer AI. I will put a link into the video description, and they have a 3-day free trial that you can try out. To create our account, we click on Login, then on Sign Up, and then go ahead and create your account. Then inside our account, we can create an AI influencer. Either through the influencer builder, we can create a clone or use a pre-made AI model. The pre-made models actually look pretty good. As you can see here, those look like real photos, very high quality. But of course, if you want something unique, you want to build your own AI influencer here via the builder. And this is based on a questionnaire that you have to fill out. And this is pretty cool because you don't need complex prompt engineering. You don't need to describe everything in text, which is really annoying. Instead, you just make some selections here and then you still get a completely unique AI generated person. No one else will have the same one. We need to give our influencer a name. And of course, an attractive female always gets the most attention. So let's create one. I want the name to start with AI. So let's call her Aileen. Gender female, ethnicity. Let's keep her white. Age early 20s is nice. Eyes maybe green or blue, I don't know. Body type, athletic. No headwear. Hair length, let's go with long. Hair styled, let's keep it at best fit. And hair color, maybe dark brown, because brown and blue eyes is kind of a cool combination. Then we click on generate preview and this generates our AI influencer. I think that's already pretty good, but let's try out black hair to create a stronger contrast to the blue eyes. Again, we generate a preview, and each of these generations is unique, so you will never have the same influencer as someone else. Yeah, this is pretty good. Damn. Let's create her via this button, and then it tells us that this trains an AI, which takes about 5 minutes, and this is what gives us this perfect character consistency later, where she looks the same in every image that we create and every video. So now we have to wait 5 minutes. So Aileen is ready, and I think I'm already in love. Here on the info page we can see the options we picked. We can even update the name or archive her. The first step is to create some photos. And the videos are later generated from these photos. Here we can either use a text prompt to describe the image we want to generate or use a reference photo. We will try out both. Let's start with the text prompt, and here we have some predefined prompts. Let's start with an outdoor nature hike. It inserts this prompt and we can update it if we want. It says in a light hiking jacket and trail pants. I want to change this to in a tank top and yoga pants to make it a bit more interesting. Hey, I didn't make the rules. Then we can select an aspect ratio. Since I want to create TikTok content, I select 9:16 and I'm going to generate 4 photos. Click. This takes a minute or so. And now we have 4 realistic looking AI influencer photos. We can delete the ones we don't like, or we can favorite an image. I think I like this one the most. Looks super realistic. One more step we can do is upscaling the image to give it more details. And when we compare it, yeah, it's not a huge difference, but this is the upscaled version. We will try out these other AI editing features like try on clothes in a moment. For now, let's generate a few more photos of her. So again, I'm gonna pick a predefined text prompt, this time a gym progress selfie. Again, 9:16 ratio, generate. Okay, I think this one here is a bit of a fail because she's holding two phones. But we can easily fix this with the edit feature. Let's say remove the phone in her left hand and let the arm hang down instead. Edit photo. Perfect, there's the updated photo. Let's delete the fail one down here and favorite this one and also upscale it. I want to create one more, but this time we use a reference photo. So from Google, I downloaded this image of a woman at a beach. Now we simply upload this image here, which then uses AI to analyze it and generate a prompt. There we go. This is a very detailed prompt. The only thing I want to change, it says the image is from the waist up, but I want it from the feet up because I later want to use this for a dance video and I want to make sure her feet are visible. Aspect ratio 9:16. Let's give this a try. Well, the images look good, but her feet are not in view. Let's see which one of these is the best. Let's use this one down here and edit it. Zoom out a bit and make sure her full body is in view, including her feet. Let's give this a try. Yes, this is perfect. Feet are visible. Let's also give the try on clothes feature a try. I downloaded this image of a black bikini. Clothes type one piece. Start try on. Perfect. Now we have 2 times the same image, but with different bikinis. Let's not forget to upscale both images with just a button click. And look at this character consistency. She looks like the exact same person in all of these images in different scenes, which is important to build trust with your audience because they build a relationship with one person. And if she looks different in all of these images, then this destroys the illusion. But you won't get very far on social media with just photos because the photo feed is kinda dead. Videos is where all the money is at. So let's generate some videos. You can pick one of your images that you like and click on the create video button down here. Again, we have 2 different options. Either we enter a prompt or we use this motion control feature, which is really cool, but we will try this out later. For now, let's try out a prompt. We want to set the video length to 10 seconds. Motion control videos can actually be up to 30 seconds long, but prompt videos only 10 seconds. But this is more than enough for a platform like TikTok. And you can of course create multiple videos and stitch them together. For the prompt, let's keep it simple. Walking towards the camera while talking. I use Whisper Flow as usual for voice dictation. The tutorial video for that is on my channel. Let's generate this video. Now the while talking in the prompt is important because then we will get a much better result when we lip sync her to say some text. So right now this video is mute because there is no voiceover script yet, but we will let her say something in a moment. There is also a best practices guide where all of this is explained again. I will put a link into the video description, but I also explain everything you need to know in this video. So now we can use this video to generate a lip sync. So we click on the videos tab, we find it here, we can download it, delete it or lip sync it. And this is where we give our influencer a text to say. We have to select a voice. And again, it's really cool that we don't have to handle 11 labs ourselves. Instead, all of this is already implemented.
If you spend your whole life waiting for the storm,
You can preview these different voices and pick one you like.
Government of the people, by the people.
They also have some Indian accents.
सोशल मीडिया की सबसे कामयाब आवाज
But she doesn't look like Indian, does she? I'm gonna go with Jessica. For the sync mode, we keep bounce selected, which means that if our script is longer than 10 seconds, it will just revert the last part of the video. This usually works really well, but we don't have to worry about this if our script fits within these 10 seconds. So I entered, I'm your AI influencer and I can say whatever you want. Don't I look super realistic? Let's generate this. Here's our result. Let's take a look.
I'm your AI influencer, and I can say whatever you want. Don't I look super realistic?
Yeah, looks flawless. The last step is to generate captions, which is always a good idea for social media.
I'm your AI influencer, and I can say whatever you want. Don't I look super realistic?
And now we can download this and post it on social media. And we can already do a lot of cool stuff with this. We can prompt all these different scenes and different scripts, but this becomes even more powerful with the motion control feature. Let's give this a try with our gym image, AI actions. First of all, I want to put a product into her hand, which we can do with the combine images with AI feature. Because if you actually want to make money from your AI influencer, you probably want to do sponsorship deals where companies approach you and they want you to promote their product. And I have prepared a fake product called Poop Maxing. Now let's say we want to promote this product to make some money. The first step is to combine our image with the image of this product. And in the prompt, I simply say, make her hold the product in her right hand while pointing at it with her left index finger. Let's try this out. So now we have this product image and we want to turn this into another video. But this time we will use motion control to have better control over what exactly she says and how she moves. And this will be hilarious, just wait for it. So I prepared this video of me talking about this imaginary poop maxing product. So I just recorded myself. I have a book in my hand which represents the product, and here is the raw video. It's 24 seconds long. Let's check it out. Guys, this supplement has changed my life. It's called Poop Maxing, and I don't even know what to tell you. It makes everything so much easier. I've been sitting on the toilet pushing and nothing ever happens, but now with this I just press once and it all flows. Check it out. Guys. Yeah, I have a very simple humor, but now let's combine the two. So we have this image selected, we go to motion control, and here I upload the video of me you just saw. Then important, we activate replace voice and we select the same voice we used before, which was Jessica if I remember correctly. And then we generate this video. Okay, the video is ready, let's check it out, but I'm gonna download it and play it side by side with the original video. Okay, so left is the original video and right is the copy. The copy is 3 seconds shorter, so they will not have the exact same speed, but let's play them at the same time.
Guys, this supplement has changed my life. It's called Poop Maxing, and I don't even know what to tell you. It makes everything so much easier. I've been sitting on the toilet pushing and nothing ever happens. But now with this, I just press once and it all flows. Check it out.
That's hilarious. And the movement is pretty exact to the original. And this is the kind of stuff we wouldn't achieve with a normal prompt. How would you even go about describing this? But with motion control, it's very easy. And that's why motion control is essential. I want to try one more motion control video, this time with a dance. That's why I prepared this beach image that shows the whole body. So again, I click on create a video. I select motion control. And I downloaded this video from TikTok where someone does a crip walk. I'm gonna mute the video because this is a copyright protected song. So we just play the video without sound. So this is the dance. And I wanna let our AI influencer do this dance. And I think this is gonna be funny. Let's try this out. So I upload the video here into the motion control tab. This time there is no voice in there, so we don't have to even keep the sound of the video. And let's generate this and see if this even works. The video is ready, let's check it out. We have no sound, but we can add sound later if we want. And it even has jiggle physics. And I think it's pretty funny. Amazing what we can do with technology today. Yeah, I would love to post this on TikTok. Yeah, you can create multiple of these AI influencers. You can also clone yourself by uploading some images of you. But for cloning, in my opinion, HeyGen is still the best tool. I have a separate video on that on my channel. But for AI influencers, it can't be any easier than the influencer AI. Now, before you start uploading your AI influencer content, it's important to follow a few rules to make sure your content doesn't get shadow banned. It's important that you warm up your account. So you create an account on TikTok or Instagram Reels and then use it like a normal human would to show the algorithm and the platform that you're not a spammer. This means set up your profile with a proper profile image, a name and a bio. Start by posting only a single video on the first day and not multiple ones, and don't post too often. And then use the app like a real person. Scroll through the feed, watch videos yourself, like some videos, comment on videos. Don't just open it for posting, because then the AI will detect that you are likely not a real person. Don't just use the platform to post your own videos, because then the platform might think you are just there for spamming your content. Once your account is warmed up and you have some followers, you can start posting more often, and with this AI it's very easy to post multiple videos a day. If you want to create your own AI influencer, again the link is in the video description. They have a 3-day free trial, so you can try this out without paying anything. I will also put my video about HeyGen and how to create your own clone here into the video card in the end screen. Check it out. And then I hope I see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.